So my name's Sage Van Tilburg. I'm the suspension lead for Formula Motorsports team.
Suspension is like everything between the tires and the chassis, basically. So we're responsible for not only mechanically suspending the car, but then also developing the vehicle dynamics, doing a lot of testing and tuning, and to really get the car vehicle handling dialed in to make the car as fast as it can possibly be. Our goal this year, we had a lot of good opportunity to redesign stuff in the front of the car. Our rear packaging is actually considered to be pretty fine-tuned. Including to redesign how we manufacture the A-arms, it was a good chance for us to step back and rethink on a fundamental level on how to accomplish the major systems on our car. Being able to take advantage of the tires we have, make the tires work the best they can. As far as projects on the team, we have a lot of area we are focusing in, ranging from traditional structural engineering like brackets and A-arms to theoretical aspects of suspension like kinematics and decisions made with geometry. There are composite projects, linkage and bracket projects, mechanical projects like steering, so we get a little bit of everything, which is pretty cool.